Good morning, students. Let us discuss some doubts of assignment 2. Many of the students have doubts in these questions, and I have taken two questions from that assignment, and that is question number 3 and question number 5 of that assignment. And the question number 3 is, if the HCF of 210 and 55, 210 and 55 is expressible in the form of 210 into 5 plus 55y, then you have to find y there. So this is the first question. We are doing this question first of all, and the second question is you have to express this HCF of 468 and 222 as 468x plus 222y, where x and y are integers in two different ways. So we have to express this HCF in two different ways in the form of linear combination of these two numbers. And so we are taking now the first question, and that is question number 3. So we need to find the HCF of these two numbers, and obviously we have, first of all, we have 210 is greater than 55. Therefore, by Euclid division lemma, and you can also write Euclid division algorithm. We are applying the algorithm there, and that is nothing but you have to take this one as your dividend. So 210 is there, and you will take this 55 as your divisor. So this is into 3 somewhere there, and this is 165. You will have remainder as 45. Okay, so you can divide this one as separately also, so that will be easy to you to understand this one. You will divide this by 55, then it will be by 3, and you will have 165 there, then it is 5 4. Then you will take this remainder as your divisor and this divisor as your dividend. You will divide this by 1 then, and you will have remainder as 10. Now you will take this 10 as your divisor and 45 as your dividend. This will go with 4. This is 40 there, and you have remainder then 5. Then this will become dividend there, and it will completely divided with 2, and that is, if you have remainder 0, then this divisor is your HCF. So you have to express in the form of Euclid division algorithm way. So you will write now 55 as your 45 into 1, and your remainder will be 10 there. And now you will write this 45 as your 10 into 4, and your remainder is 5 there. Now you will write this 10 as your 5 into 2 plus 0 there. Now this 5 is your HCF. So HCF is your 5 there. So you have to represent this 5 as in the form of 210 into 5 plus 55y. So what you will do, you will take the second last step, and you can again understand this question how we will do this one. You will take this one from the second step. You will find the value of your this. Always you can see, if the last one, the remainder will be 0, then the second last remainder will be your HCF, because this will become divisor in the next one. So this one is HCF always in the second last one, and from here in this equation you will take this equation as this one is 1, this one is 2, and this one is 3 now. So from 3 you can write the value of 5, and 5 is equal to 45 minus 10 into 4. Okay, so you need in the form of 210 into 5 and 55y. So you don't need these two here. So you will find the value of 10 from the second step. You will go upside there, and this is 5 is equal to 45 minus the value of 10 is your 55 minus 45 into 1, and this 4 is outside there. Okay, so you will write this as, after simplification you can write this as 55 into 4, and this negative into negative you will have positive, and this is 45 into 1 into 4, that is 4. So can you write this 45 as 45 into 1, and this is 45 into 1, and this is 45 into 4. So you can take 45 common in these two, so you will write this at 1 plus 4, that is you can write this at 45 into 5 minus 55 into 4. And also you don't need here 45 as well, you need for 55 there, so you will replace this 45 from first equation, and from first equation you have 45 as 210 minus 55 into 3. This is the value of 45 from equation 1. You can take this one on the left side, you can find the value of 45 from there, and this is minus 55 into 4. So you can write this as 210 into 5 minus 55 into 3 into 5, you can write 15 there, minus 55 into 4. So you can write this as 210 into 5 minus, these two are negative, you can take 55 common here, and you can write this as 55 into minus 15 minus 4, that is minus 19, and that is 19 there. So if you compare these two, in the question you have 210 into 5, and this is plus 55 into y. So can you imagine y will be your minus of 19 from there. So value of y is minus 19, that will be your answer in question number 3.